Hi, I'm Margaret at Your Guide, and today I'm going to cover a really basic but important exercise referred to as the straight leg raise. Two little pieces of equipment, a pillow, and that's optional depending on your comfort level, and a little support for your waist. Always going down onto your shoulder before you roll over. And then if it's comfortable for you to use a pillow, then by all means do so. But either way, pillow or not, I would like you to use a little support in the small of your back. The size and thickness of that support should be the same as your hand. So if I just slide it out one side and I check, perfect. Bring that back in. And that's so that when you're using the muscles of your legs, you're also using your abdominals and keeping your low back safe. So just as in all of the exercises that I work through with you all online, I want you to think about your posture and alignment. So if being without a pillow is comfortable for you, then by all means, you get to have a little extra stretch through the neck. If you feel you need support through your neck, you can use a little roll just at the base of your skull, filling in that hole there, and making sure that you tuck your shoulders down, palms to the sky. Lovely. With knees well bent. Nice opportunity now to stretch your toes before we begin. You never get enough toe stretching. Toes stretched, bringing the leg down. Now, remembering our breath control. Nice breath in. Exhale, starting to tighten your pelvic floor. You tighten the muscles around your quads. Pulling your toes towards you really helps to do that. And lifting the leg no higher than the opposite thigh. It's a slow rise and a slow descent. So depending on how strong that you are and whether this is post-surgical recovery, post-fracture, you have a boot on your ankle, you might be starting with a shorter lift. You might also be starting with a little assist in your lift, which I'll cover in just a moment. If you've been given 10 straight leg raises to do, 5 would be done in the position that I just demonstrated, and 5 would be done with your legs slightly externally rotated. So the whole leg rolls out about 30 degrees, breath in, exhale, tummy tight to the support beneath you, and as you lower, your tummy stays tight and your back stays engaged or tightened to this roll. Breath and tight as you lift, keeping everything tight even as you lower. So you're getting the benefit of the exercise through the quadriceps, your hip flexors are working, but you're not getting the hip flexors, which is what they can also do, pulling on your back. So you're keeping everything firm and tight. If you're doing that and you're going, wow, I'm really having a hard time keeping my back down and engaged, take a pillow, and it doesn't have to be the one from your head. You can grab another pillow. And the higher the pillow, the more assistance you're going to have. Resting your thigh all the way down to your heel on the pillow, you're now going to take away the hardest part of the lift for the abdominal. And so one more time, demonstrating the exact same thing. Breath in, toes pulled in tight. Exhale as you lift. And as you lower, shoulder blades are staying tucked, staying long through the back of your head and neck without any undue stress on your back. So that's how I like to see the straight leg raise done, so that you're getting all the benefit of the straight leg raise without any stress in your low back. And this is all for today on Your Guide. Thanks for tuning in.